Hello, English Level 2, Oral Presentation. 1. Introduce myself. 2. You try experience in Yopal. 3. The weather in Yopal. 4. Recommendation if you go to Yopal. Introduce myself. My name is Daisy Flores. I am 24 years old. I work in laboratory White and Elites. I am from Sogamoso. I live in Fucene, Cundinamarca. I am single. I like watch TV. I like listen music. My favorite food is chicken rice. My favorite music is Cristiana. 2. You try experience in Jopal. Last weekend I went to the city of Jopal. I spent 2 days with my family by the payages on 180,000 pesos. The place that I liked the most was the river. Was my cousin degree as a public accountant. We were with my cousins and my uncles, and we had a nice time. There was punky and the food was meat, potatoes, salad, and wrapped. We stayed in the house of an uncle. We traveled again on Sunday at 5 in the afternoon to our house. The bus was late and we arrived at 10 o'clock at night. When we arrived in our city, we ate chicken. Then we took a taxi and charged us 10,000 pesos. We arrived at the house and had a coffee. We changed clothes and went to sleep. 3. The weather in Yopal. The climate in Yopal is warm tropical. 3. Recommendation if you go to Japan. In this place you can go to the river to swim. In this place you could go fishing. In that place you can grow rats. That place you can't eat very well. In that place you can go out at night. In that place you can party. In this place you can go to the see movies. On these seats you can go to shopping centers. In the city people should go to the river. You should go to know the blind. I should not talk to strange people. Thank you.